In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. Let's get started by opening the Notion website in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, create a new page by clicking New Page. This gives us a clean canvas to set up the integration. You can give the page a clear name so you'll recognize it later, like something that reflects the project or team it's for. Inside the new page, click into the body of the page and start typing the word Drive. Notion will show matching options. Click Google Drive from that list. This is the key to bringing your files directly into Notion without switching tabs all the time. You'll now see two choices. The first is Embed Link. Use this if you already have a shareable link to a specific file or folder. Paste the link and Notion will display a live preview. This is perfect when you only need to reference one thing and don't want to connect an account. The second option is Browse Google Drive. Click that if you want to search and pick files right inside Notion. When you do, you'll be prompted to connect a Google account. Click Connect Google Account, then select the account you want to use. Follow the prompts on your screen to grant access. You may be asked to allow Notion to view and embed files from your drive. Approve those permissions so Notion can show a file picker and keep the embeds working. If you manage sensitive documents, make sure you're connecting the right account and only granting the access you're comfortable with. After connecting, the Google Drive Picker appears within Notion. Use it to browse your folders or search for the file you need. Select the file or folder, and Notion will insert a live embed, BAA, with the title and preview. You can resize the block by dragging its edges and move it anywhere on the page. If a preview doesn't load, refresh the page or check the file's sharing settings in Google Drive to ensure your connected account has access. From now on, anytime you want to add Drive content, just type Drive, choose Google Drive, and either paste a link or browse your connected drive. Keep in mind that Notion permissions and Google Drive sharing are separate, so teammates need access in both places to see the content. That's all there is to it. Open the Notion website, click New Page, enter Drive, click Google Drive, choose to embed a link or browse Google Drive, connect your Google account, select the account you want, and follow the prompts on the screen.